Because if you was in here, you'd be in here last week.
She wasn't here last week. She didn't know about it last week.
I'm gonna ask Miss Trescott, and if that's not right, then you gotta go. What in the world? I got a new young lady. Is she supposed to be in here, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
She just started today. It's her first day coming to the summer.
Why you say that?
Just told you that.
So we're trying to cram as much as possible just to get these dudes going and flowing. I got my veteran in here, Kennedy, kind of teaching the class a little bit, kind of helping them out, helping me out, kinda.
You can do something. What's something that you really like to do?
It's like making a flyer, making a poster, whatever you make it. I want to catch up another time. No, you can teach it. You in here?
I'm football.
Football.
Yeah, he played football.
Anyway,
He's
all
gonna
right.
be a
So
quarterback.
that's good. That's beautiful.
No.
So we don't know what document we're working with. So we just
Have
gonna
a good
get
practice.
we're gonna just get a page up.
We'll have a good practice though.
Thanks.
I'm just saying hi to my brother.
Okay. So to start over again.
Are you paying attention, Maya?
No, they're not paying attention.
I am. I already know.
I'm just asking.
I have a seat.
Because you weren't here last week.
I'm gonna go over there.
Main menu is like the file, the edit, the image.
This right here is my YouTube channel. All right. These is all my little videos right here. I've been doing it for 3 years. Okay. So this is like creating and this is documenting. What's creating and what's documenting? Creating is creating something like we're doing something, creating something. Document is just document what I do. The whole reason why I do this and the whole reason why you need to do this is because this is the new resume. Does this make sense? What's a resume? You don't know if somebody gonna hire you to be doing health and wellness. You don't know if somebody gonna be hiring you to do designs and none of that stuff. So it goes hand in hand together because you don't have to hire no marketing person, no design person. That makes sense? You're gonna do it all yourself. You're gonna create your own website. You're gonna do all of this stuff. You have to. There's no way around it. You know how to do it? All right, do it.
About to.
You don't know how to do it. You don't know how to do it.
Oh, is that a challenge?
So yeah, I'm happy to be back though. Hopefully I'm back in the fall and we can get this going and flowing. Look at my little pen I got. Look at that. Ain't that raw? I got that from PNC. Oh, that's raw. That's fire.